How to download all your videos and data from TikTok app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now first thing first, you have to launch your TikTok application. Once you do so, make sure that you are logged into your specific TikTok account and then tap onto three bar icon, select settings and privacy. Under account, you have to tap on account button itself. As you do so, you will see download your data under second last button. Tap onto it. And now here it says it will take a couple of days in order to download your data. You can go ahead and select all of these. Once done, tap on format here. Select if you would like this format or this one. Tap on request data. Now your data request has been submitted. If your file is ready, it will be available for 4 days and you will get an email. Or you can also get your inbox and simply tap onto inbox and find your data. So this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.